But really what I'm sharing with you today is how to kind of make a multiple or two EBs in succession, so it kind of just looks like that. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we have another fire skipping tutorial for you. Today I'm going to be taking you through the double EB swing. All right, now if it doesn't make sense to you, it's going to make sense to you in 3, 2, 1. Check this move. Right guys, hopefully you agree that is a very sharp, crispy, slick move, right? I'm gonna get you guys doing this in no time. Before you get into this video, go check our links down below. Copy yourself the most in-demand skipping ropes on the planet. Today I'm using the Money Rope 2.0, by far the most slickest speed rope ever created. Listen, I want you all to get involved. Hit that subscribe button, people. You've seen the move now, right? And I want you guys to just really have fun with your skipping workouts, right? And I want you to improve your technical abilities. I want you to have fun. I want you to make the most out of your rope. Now, with this move, guys, it is really about making sure you're kind of at that intermediate advanced level. You have to be able to already do the kind of usual kind of typical EB, which might look like this. So you should be able to basically side swing, have one arm go behind the back, create a loop and jump through it. Now, I've got tutorials on this. You have to go back and check it. I'm going to try and leave some links, some cards up here if you don't know this move or what it's about. But really what I'm sharing with you today is how to kind of make a multiple or two EBs in succession, so it kind of just looks like that. And it's like, what you want to really get out of this move is you want to feel like your legs, your feet, your skips, they just stay consistent. They stay at the same pace, the same rate, and your hands just do the work. Your hands and your wrists basically get this rope around you twice. There's no kind of jerky movements, there's no awkward movements, and it looks really, really fluid. Now, the way I like to kind of teach this move, right? Like I said, you kind of want to be at this level where you can already do one really nice and easy, is you kind of have to understand that you have to keep your hands and wrists in the same position. Once you complete the first revolution, you want to make sure that you stay in that fixed position. So here, stay in this fixed position here, so the rope's gone underneath you now once. Now from here, you don't want any movements away from your body for that second revolution, and nor do you want to kind of change your footwork up so that you kind of disturb the whole harmony of things. So first drill is do the first one, right? Then slow the rope down, right? Slow the rope down and just understand your wrists need to stay in the same position. So just kind of stay in the same position and now just do this movement here. Right, it's obviously going to look a little bit awkward because we're just slowing it all down. But like I always say, if you can get this move done slowly, you can be able to do it at fast and quicker speeds after. So here, just stay in the same position, and then now just start to understand that your backhand rotates at the same time as your front hand. So now you're in this position now where you've got this wrist facing behind you and your thumbs are kind of facing opposite. So you should be able to see that. Back thumb here, front thumb facing this way. And from this position, all I'm doing is I'm rotating the rope and making sure I give it enough kind of revolution speed with the wrist, so flicking the wrist at the same time, so then you then have a really nice, crispy couple of sharp loops, and you have no break in the footwork. So focus on those two things, guys. Then it comes down to now footwork now. So you've got the wrists and the arms fixed, rotating smoothly. Now your feet, you could do a couple of different things, right? You can go kind of basic bounce, which is something that I don't really tend to do anymore, but you could just go like this, come out with a side swing, or you could just go boxer step, which I like to do. So it kind of just looks like this, and it looks pretty smooth, I reckon. What do you reckon, Nathan?
Very nice.
Very nice, Nathan says. Listen, it's not an easy one, right? This is, like I said, intermediate, advanced. Go give it a go. It's gonna be a really short tutorial. I'm just gonna share with you now just another way you can kind of get into this move really nicely. You can kind of go into like a couple of side swings, a little cross here. Remember, this move starts with a little side swing, so get your wrists warm, get those whips going, and then go into the move, side swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back out. Really nice and smooth, and you could do 2 in a row, 1, 2, and then move into a side swing cross. Make it look absolute epicness, slickness, freshness. Right, people, promise you a short tutorial. Give it a go. It doesn't have to be 2 EBs. You could do 3 in a row, 4 in a row. I also just always want you to know that this is not going to come overnight. Put a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it will take a lot of patience. All right, so that's what the beautiful thing about skipping is. It just takes a lot of focus, and it will make your mind right. Guys, whilst you're watching this video, we are already live with our new TRWF React collection. All right, this is the new 2022 range. We only bring collections and apparel out once. We do not restock RA apparel. So if you get involved, you'll be owning a piece of RA history. Please get involved, man. Your support means the world to me. We've got joggers, we've got tops, we've got, I'm not wearing it today, but my snapback and a really cool t-shirt as well. So just head down. These are the links here. Cop yourself some fresh gear, look fly in the gym, outdoors, wherever you're doing your skipping, and just take it to the pub, to the restaurant, man. When you're having a drink, just look slick wherever you go. And yeah, that'd be much appreciated. So people, without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. As always, so take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.